Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. My dear subscribers, welcome back to my channel. This is Queen Muslima and I'm gonna teach you that how to increase your subscribers on TikTok. Yeah, you heard right, on TikTok. I know in this time and in this time of generation, this generation is using TikTok a lot, and I have seen that they are facing problems like small users aren't getting followers too easily. They are working on it, but they are not getting. Actually, for some poor people, TikTok is the best way to earn money, but the thing is TikTok, and we all have to support them, but we aren't, and not even TikTok are supporting them. TikTok isn't viraling their videos and all, so we can't get their videos, but they are really working very hard. Anyways, for this small users, I'm gonna show some tricks and some ways to increase their followers and likes and some views on their videos. Now let's start. So guys, we are gonna open our TikTok account. Like I'm gonna open mine, and I have opened it. I came back to my profile, and as you can see, I am following 2 people, and my followers are 184. Okay, my following will be same, but I'll increase my followers. Now let's go. Here, come to this point, name discovered, and search here Riaz 14. I have searched it. Now go to him, go to his profile, and start doing like this: follow, unfollow, follow, unfollow, follow, unfollow, follow, unfollow. We have to keep it up. We have to do it for 10 to 15 times as you wish. I'm not gonna recommend that do unfollow and follow, do this process for a very long time. I am not gonna recommend. So I'm gonna tell you that, as you can see, I'm doing this process again and again. Riaz is one of the most popular creator on TikTok. He is the one and the only Indian who has got 36.3 millions very soon and got the blue tick. So as we are doing this process the followers of Riaz will be converted to our profile and will visit to our profile. I'm gonna show. Wait. Now guys, you can see that I have done this process, and now I unfollowed him successfully. Now I am going back to my inbox, and you can see now this is Rahul and LY5. These followers are just now. You can see the timing of these followers, like just now 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Let's come to our profile. Oh my god, do you remember? My followers has been increased almost 100, and this is but I want to tell you something. I don't know that others will tell you or not, but I'm gonna tell because I'm an honest person. Really, I'm telling you, this followers, maybe half of it will be disappeared till morning or in 2 to 3 hours, because these followers are temporary. But here's the good news for you all. I'm gonna show you something that is too real. Now here is one more trick I'm gonna tell. That trick is, you just have to go to your Chrome or internet the phone you have, the browser you have, okay, and search there freer.com, or I have given this link to my description. You can also go from there, okay. So I am opening freer.com. Now we came to this screen and we have to verify that we are human. So I'm not a robot. I'm gonna verify. It will take a 2 to 3 minutes, like it will take a minute. Wait, crosswalk, we just have to done it smoothly. Statues, and you see it's verified now. Okay, it's verified. Now we will get 3 type of options. We get 3 type of options like TikTok, IG, auto exchange. Okay, so we are gonna use TikTok. We have done it. Now you can do 2 things. Either you can increase your followers or views, either you can increase your likes. Okay, so if you want to increase your likes, then just copy the link of that video and paste it here, and then find and then send like. Okay, I'm gonna show that how to increase followers. So Queen Muslima, this is my ID, Queen Muslima 786, and gonna find, and you can see here it's showing that I have 244 fans. Okay, I'm gonna send fans. I'm sending it. 25 fans sent. Okay, I'm gonna show you that it has worked. Let me show something. I have to refresh my TikTok account. Now we are back to our TikTok account, and I am here showing you, like you can see just now. You can see this is increasing right now too. Okay, and now you can see that I have increased my followers. I don't have any videos, guys. After all, I will surely show you that how to increase your likes and views. But the thing is, don't increase your views, because it can freeze your account. So you can't blame that this girl, this Queen Muslima, has told me that increase your views by this site, and I have done it. Now my followers and likes and videos aren't being viral and all. So please, I'm gonna recommend that don't increase your views. If you want to do something, you can go to discover and then search Riaz14, and then go follow just this thing. Okay, so I'm not gonna follow in, and this inbox, you can see it will be increased. You can see. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna tell you something about my channel. I'm gonna tell that my contents are very different from all the other channels. This channel is a multi-purpose channel. I'm not gonna show some hacks or tricks here. I'm gonna show so many things here. So be connected with us by liking, subscribing, or sharing my videos and all. I hope you guys liked it. Guys, I want to say something, that if you are watching this video, then I want to know that which type of video do you want. Do you want hacks, roasting, makeup hacks, kitchen hacks, or some kind of Islamic question answers, some kind of puzzles, riddles? I just want to know your opinion, that what do you want